Welcome to Back to School, the Basics, Week 2. Today's focus on the old and the new nightclub. Okay, there's the old nightclub, new nightclub. Technically, it's not really old. Okay, I'm using a 20-year-old, maybe 30 from Michel Perron as the old nightclub. Anyway, give you a history about where this came about. In 2022, when I started my research, it's really a progression from quick, quick, slow. So last week we were all focused on rumba, which is quick, quick, slow, right? Quick, quick, slow is the rhythm. When I said quick, quick, slow, you are addressing slow as the P4, and this is quick, quick, slow, 7, 8. Well, it turned out that my research is basically the same as this. Okay, so that's basically the result of finding out that how come they're using the same beat. Where apparently, I think in the 60s or 70s, there's a guy, you don't need to know the name now because I forgot, created a new nightclub two-step. Okay, so that's why now there's a new nightclub that we call. So the best way to learn this would be, I said, I'm going to create a then and now, which is the program we're going to focus on. Then and now is a nightclub I did last year. So in your worksheet, you will address that later. Okay. So reading what I did in 2022, it turned out, okay, let me just read it so that at least it will be according to what I had typed 3 years ago. In my personal research, in an attempt to keep the then and now theme that will benefit both beginner and seasoned line dancers, it led to a modified and analytic approach to the series. It turned out that the bundled structure that we've been using can really lead to more fascinating progression. You know, from rumba, which is, I said, the same as mambo, salsa, samba. Turned out that it's also the same, basically, the root of the pattern for the nightclub that we're talking about. And that's what we're going to focus on today. Okay, so focus on nightclub. Again, going back to the history, Michel Perron from Canada came up with a dance called nightclub. 32 count. We will do that later also as a comparison. That is the beat. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. But then, to confuse everybody now, the count is also converted into 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Look, I don't know what this is. We're going to erase this later because we're going to focus on the new. Okay, we want to go back to the old as a reference. This is the new. Okay. But notice that, why did she use 1 and 2? I believe that's because she's also trying to reduce the count, right? Because that is, again, going back to last week, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. But then if she converts it to 1 and 2, 3, and 4, that is already cutting it in a way, right? Instead of how it's called 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Remember that? Okay. So anyway, that we will see later. That 1 and 2, 3 and 4 can also be called quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Alright. Now, how is the new nightclub going to be called? Okay. This is the new nightclub. Okay. Notice that there is now a syncopation there. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So now, I guess, I convert again. That would be slow, because we agreed slow needs to count. There is a pause there. This is going to be your quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, because that is a sudden step. And there's another slow, because there's a little bit of a pause there. And then another quick. That is now the slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, in the new world of the old nightclub, of the new nightclub. Okay, so now, with this in mind, I I think I can teach beginners now with a new pattern. Notice the pattern? It's almost the same direction to the right, to the left. This is the one that goes diagonal, and forward and back. That is where we want to focus on. Before we turn on the camera, so we can do the actual bolts and nuts of this, I also figured out how to make this also converted into either left, right. For example, if I start on my right, this is going to be left, right, left, right, left. So always going to have almost like a 6. Every time there's going to be a 6 count movement on the body. That's what you're going to practice. It can also be the reverse, right? Left, right, left, right, left, right. Don't forget, our theory is, remember when I started with 8 count. Okay, just to remind everybody that at least I have this nice magical board. Except it's malfunctioning now in terms of color. Right, Cheryl? I've been trying to work the color. I don't know what's happening. Technical difficulty here. Okay, it has to double that. Alright, so now, going back, remember, we have to step on the number. Do something with the number is always my advice. Do something. If we add something in the middle, like the syncopation, do something in there. That's the rule of thumb. So now, before straight 8 is easy, now we need to worry about the syncopation. Okay? Alright. Now time to demonstrate action.